So a mind map is a visual diagram that has a central subject and branches with ideas that relate to and elaborate on the central topic. It's really, at its core, a tool for organizing and displaying information. So benefits of mind mapping, especially for leaders, are that it helps with focus. It helps you to structure your thoughts. Organization is a big one. Mind mapping is expansive. So obviously you're expanding on ideas. It helps to problem solve. It helps to come up with new ideas, enhance your creativity. It strengthens memory. I mean, anytime we write something down or we focus on something, especially on paper or visually in front of us, it enhances our memory of that subject. It's fun and it's efficient. We can do it on one piece of paper and see a lot of complex information all in one place. It's very accessible. All you need is a pen and paper. There's a lot of digital tools now, many, many ways to make mind maps. And finally, it enhances understanding. So a few questions to think about as we dive into team alignment. One is, what is team alignment really? What is it to you? What does it look like when your team is actually aligned? So for me and what I do in my business, team alignment is really a collective understanding, as Graham mentioned, of the big picture vision and how that breaks down at an individual level. So it's a collective understanding of the big picture with clear individual accountability. She then added the actual tasks under each of these. So for meetings, they have a monthly all-department meeting that happens every month, a new initiatives meeting that happens on an ongoing basis, health churn report they do on an ongoing basis, segmentation report